Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your beauty features on CapCut PC by using the enhance feature, obviously. Again, she doesn't need this, she's beautiful, but like this is just a tutorial if you want to. I do use it a lot on my videos, so go to the enhance page here. If you're on basic, just go to enhance. Make sure you select the clippers or else this won't show up. Select face, and here you can smooth the face, brighten it, whiten the teeth, like erase the smile line, dark circles, etc. Then here you can like adjust like your face, like if you want a thinner face, if you want cheekbones. You can also adjust the eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrow. If you have more than one person, I suggest you using the multiple mode as well. Then you can also adjust it manually, and here you can add in makeup. You can add in like a full set of makeup on the person's face, or you can add just eyelashes if you'd like to. And here you can like adjust the opacity as well. And you can also add in like an eyeshadow, like only if you want. And you can add just like lipstick as well. I think I'm just gonna add like a little bit of like eyelashes. Let's see which one I want to add. Okay, this one. I want to add in eyeshadow as well. And I already added lipstick, but you can also adjust the opacity here as well. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!